Something came up.
Really? What happened?
Our plan for later might not work now.
Oh, okay. Did something change suddenly?
Yes, a little. I just got a message.
I see.
I didn't want to wait too long before telling you.
That's fine. Let's look at it together first.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily.
Today, we're talking about what to say when plans change.
This happens all the time in real life.
Yes, sometimes something unexpected happens, and we need to adjust.
So today, we'll practice simple, natural English for those moments.
We'll keep it calm, useful, and realistic.
Because changing a plan does not need to become a big problem.
Sometimes you just need the right words.
We were supposed to follow our original plan this afternoon.
Right. I thought everything was already set.
Me too.
We already had a time and a simple idea.
Yes, and that's why I wanted to tell you as soon as I saw the message.
That makes sense.
I didn't want you to prepare for something that might not happen now.
I'm glad you told me early.
I was just checking my phone, and then I saw the message.
Was it important?
Yes, it was something I needed to answer.
So now the plan needs to change a little?
Yes, I think so.
That's okay.
I felt a little bad at first.
You don't need to. These things happen.
It's my client. He sent me an urgent message.
Oh, what's wrong?
He wants me to confirm his project, so I have to work on it and may not be able to keep our original time exactly as planned.
I see. It's okay. I can wait.
Are you sure? Please don't be mad at me.
Silly. It's not your fault. If you need anything, I will help.
Thank you so much, Jake.
Don't worry. Things like this happen. It's better to talk about it early than pretend everything is still fine.
That's true.
We can always adjust the plan.
I'm glad you see it that way.
Of course. It's not a problem.
That already makes me feel better. It's not a huge problem, but I do need to deal with it first.
Is it something you can finish today?
Yes, I think so.
That's good.
I just need a little more time than I expected.
So we don't need to cancel everything?
No, not at all. I still want to keep the plan.
Good. Then we just need a new version of it. Let me think for a second.
Okay.
I might still be free later instead.
Later could work for me too.
Or we can move it to tomorrow if that's easier.
I like that you're thinking in options.
That usually helps.
Yes, because then it doesn't feel like everything is falling apart.
Exactly. It just means we need a new plan.
So, what do you think we should do now?
First, I think we should keep it simple.
Yes, I agree with that.
We don't need to save the whole original plan.
Right. We only need a version that still works.
Exactly.
I just don't want it to feel rushed after I finish the client work.
Then let's build a new plan around your real schedule.
That already sounds more practical.
Good. That's the best place to start.
I think the new time matters most now.
Yes. Once we choose the time, the rest will be easier.
I may be free later this evening.
Around what time?
Maybe around 6.
6 sounds possible for me too.
That already feels better than trying to keep the earlier time.
Yes, because now it matches the reality of the day.
And that makes the plan feel calmer.
Exactly. A realistic time is always better.
Let me check one more time before we lock it in.
Okay, take your time.
I don't want to say yes too quickly.
That makes sense.
Yes, 6 should work.
Great.
I'm glad I checked properly instead of guessing.
That always helps.
I'd rather be clear now than change it again later.
Right. That makes the new plan much stronger.
Now that the time changed, I think the plan itself should change a little too.
I was thinking the same thing.
The original idea fit the earlier time better.
Yes, but for the evening, something simpler makes more sense.
I agree.
We don't need to force the old version into the new schedule.
Exactly. That would only make it feel awkward.
So let's choose something that fits the new time naturally.
That feels much smarter.
Good. Now the new plan is starting to feel complete.
This actually feels a lot better now.
Yeah, it does.
I was worried the whole thing was going to fall apart.
I know. It felt messy for a moment.
But now it doesn't. Now it just feels different.
Different, but still good.
Yes. And honestly, probably more realistic.
I think that's the key.
A plan that works is better than a plan that only sounds nice in theory.
Exactly. That's a much better way to look at it.
I think this is why people get stressed so easily when plans change.
Because they expect everything to stay fixed?
Yeah. Or because they feel like a change means the whole thing is ruined.
When really, sometimes it just means the plan needs a new shape.
Right. And if you say it clearly, it stops feeling so dramatic.
That's true.
I guess I'm reminding myself of that too.
Honestly, it's a good reminder. I've started to think flexibility is part of the plan, not separate from it.
That's interesting.
I mean, real life is never perfectly clean. Things come up. Timing changes, energy changes.
That's very true.
So when something shifts, I try not to treat it like failure.
More like adjustment?
Exactly. Just adjustment.
I like that. It feels much lighter.
It is lighter. And usually more realistic, too.
Okay, then let's not overcomplicate this.
Good idea.
New time, simpler plan, less pressure.
That already sounds better.
Yeah, I think I was trying too hard to save the original version.
Then we don't need to do that.
No, we just need a version that fits the day we actually have.
Exactly.
That feels much easier to accept.
Good. Then I think we've got the right direction.
Let's just confirm the time one more time so it feels official.
Okay. 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Still good on your side?
Yes, this time I'm sure.
Great.
I always feel calmer once the time is clear.
Same. Once that part is settled, everything else relaxes a little.
Exactly.
Good. Then that part is done.
And the plan itself is the simpler evening version.
Right.
Not the original one, but one that actually fits tonight.
Which is probably better at this point anyway.
Honestly, I think so too.
It feels more natural now.
And more enjoyable.
Yeah. Less pressure, more room to actually enjoy it.
I like that.
Me too.
I'm glad we didn't turn this into something bigger than it needed to be.
Same.
At first, I felt awkward even bringing it up.
I could tell a little.
Yeah, I think I was worried it would sound careless.
But it didn't.
No, once we actually talked about it, it felt normal.
Because it is normal.
That's true.
And now you know you can say it clearly without making it weird.
So maybe that's the real lesson here.
What, exactly?
Plans change. And when they do, the goal isn't to panic. It's to communicate.
That's a good way to say it.
Because once you talk clearly, the change feels manageable.
Right. It stops feeling like a problem and starts feeling like a decision.
Yes,
And that shift matters a lot.
it really does.
Probably more than people realize.
Here's something useful to remember in English.
When plans change, you usually don't need a big explanation.
Most of the time, short and clear is better. You can say, something came up.
Or, can we move it a little later?
Or even, I need to change the plan.
Simple, calm, and direct.
That's what sounds natural.
And that's what helps the other person respond well too.
So, what did we actually do today?
First, we explained the change.
Then, we chose a new time.
Then we adjusted the plan to match it,
And we kept the conversation calm the whole way through.
which is exactly the goal in real life.
Simple words, clear message, no extra drama.
Right. That's a very useful kind of English.
And a very useful kind of conversation.
Definitely.
Today, we practiced English for a situation that happens all the time.
A plan changes, and you need to respond clearly.
We didn't use complicated words.
But we still said everything we needed to say.
That's important.
Because real English is often like that. Simple, but precise.
And the better your tone is, the better your message lands.
Exactly.
That's where confidence starts to grow.
Step by step, in real situations.
Great job today.
We work through a changed plan in simple, natural English.
Keep practicing these phrases in situations that feel real to you.
That's how English starts to feel natural, not forced.
And if this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We'd love to see you in the next lesson.
See you soon.
Take care.